Hi, we're Immobiliser Fit, one of the UK's leading installers of Starline security, and today we've secured this 2019 Range Rover Sport SVR with a Starline I96 system. So the way this works, if someone obviously cloned this key and tried to steal the vehicle, it would start up, but as soon as they go to select a gear and drive away, the vehicle will switch off. So what you need to do in this instance to drive this vehicle is go through authorization. This can be done by either using factory buttons on the vehicle or by having the customer's phone paired up. So with the customer's phone, that's connected to the vehicle through an adjustable Bluetooth range. Their phone can simply be locked and in their pocket, get in the vehicle, they'll start it up and hear a melody straight away. There we go, and now we can select our gear and drive off as it uses the customer's phone to verify that it's you. For instances where the customer's out and their phone's dead, or they don't want to use the phone, they can use the push sequence on the steering wheel. And to do that, what you need to do, start the vehicle up, put in your selected push sequence that you choose between 3 and 21 presses. You'll get your melody to confirm it's disarmed, and then you can drive the vehicle away. So I'll just show you that. Start it up, code, melody, we can drive the vehicle. If the customer wants to change this code to obviously sound a little bit more secure, like I said, it can be between 3 and 21 presses, and the way they do that is ignition on without starting the vehicle, disarm it using the existing push sequence, hear our melody, then press any button 5 times, ignition off, back on, get 5 bleeps. Now it's ready to learn. So we'll just change the code. We'll wait for a confirmation and repeat that again. If that code's the same as the first code we entered, we'll get the same melody. If not, we'll get a grunt and we'll have to start again. There we go, we've got the same melody. That's the code learned, so ignition off. So from now on, when you start the vehicle up, you have to put that new push sequence in to disarm the vehicle. So start it up, new code, disarm tone, the vehicle can be driven. When the customer wants to take this for a service, they'll obviously want to take it back to Range Rover and they won't want to give them the code or obviously leave the phone in the vehicle. So what they want to do is put it into service mode so it acts like a normal car. And the way you do that, like I said, ignition on without your foot on the brake, disarm the system, then press any button 11 times, ignition off, back on, we'll get 2 bleeps to confirm it's in valet mode. There we go. So now if Range Rover to drive this, it would start as normal, no code, no phone, it's just a standard vehicle. Obviously when you get it back from them, you're going to want it protected again. And how you turn the system back on is ignition on without your foot on the brake, put your disarm code in, and you get 2 bleeps. There we go. And now this vehicle is protected again. Finally, if the customer uses their phone, as well as just being able to have the phone locked in their pocket and start the vehicle, they can also put it into service mode, which is a bit easier than using the buttons. And the way you do that, hop into the Starline key app when you're in the vehicle, you'll have the green circle round, press and hold, it will spin round and go to yellow. When it goes to yellow release, we'll get our 2 valet mode bleeps. There we go. So now, with a yellow circle, this vehicle is just a standard vehicle. The immobiliser switched off and it's in service mode. When you get it back, just do the same thing in reverse, yellow to green, let go, get 2 bleeps and it's protected again. There we go. So if you want to get one of these fitted on your vehicle, this is a 2019 Range Rover SVR and this is the Starline I96 system. We're Immobiliser Fit and our number is 0208 212 7393. Thanks for watching.